got a new ILIFE. The ILIFE is here.
Okay, so this is the ILIFE V5s Max robot vacuum. The boys are gonna open it up and we're gonna see what it's all about.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Yeah. Where's the charging station?
I don't know, we gotta see.
It's in there. Oh, it's upside down.
This is the fourth iLife that we have.
Yeah.
We often get asked what's a good budget-friendly robot vacuum.
Oh, sure.
So
It comes with a remote.
iLife is a good option.
It comes with a remote.
Oh, nice.
I like the things that kind of nice.
All right, so there's the robot. Pretty gray color.
It's pretty color. Doesn't it look like lightning?
It does.
It's just like that. No scratches. That's no scratches. It's just like that.
Yeah.
That's very unique.
It's like a marble counter.
It does. Here's the
There's the dustbin.
yeah, remote.
Sawyer found the remote.
Yeah, and here's the brush. You see on the bottom.
Comes with an extra little brush.
Oh, that's an
It
extra.
already has 2 on it.
So cool. Isn't it cool? Yeah, the charger. Can Dad undo this? Yes. And then we'll turn it on and plug it in. Blah, blah, blah. Blah.
Sawyer, what else did you find? You have a little anti-tangle brush and an extra filter.
Nice.
It's always nice to have. Oh, it comes with extra batteries.
I think it has to go. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's for the remote, I think. Okay. It's on. Yeah. Thank you. Instructions. We don't need instructions. But we don't need them. We already know what to do.
I know. You guys are professionals, aren't you? It comes with batteries. You don't have to use your own. For the little remote control.
Right there.
Let's see the remote.
No, look. Sorry, look.
Oh, there it goes. Wait, can we see the remote? What all does it have on it?
I have like 0.
So you can steer it, start it, stop it, do spot cleaning.
Yeah. And I wish I had like a.
Does it have a home button on there?
Yes, it does.
Yep, cool.
Turning to home.
You gonna send it home? There it goes. It's gonna go charge itself.
And then you can just start it. And then pause it. Send it home.
It's gonna go back home.
I'm gonna crawl like a little baby. When are we gonna open this?
Very cool.
Yay. Mine, is this
It
mine?
actually comes with 2 extra brushes, a left and a right.
Mine, is this mine? That's cool.
Not too bad, huh?
That's good.
All right, we're gonna try some spot cleaning. It even does really well on this really long shag carpet. A lot of them get stuck. We've had this cleaning for a few days, so let's see what it picked up. Let me see. Oh, nice. Did a good job.